Oh.
Go on then, Gemma.
Dad, I need to get extras.
Ia, ti'n ffind X's eto? Good girl, Gemma. Na, I'm eto. Na, dwi'n yn meddwl. A? O, twnnel! Hei, twnnel! Hello, Megs.
Dad, come on.
Ti'n cael shower?
Next to car shower.
So, are you telling me that Llanberis Tunnel has the same sort of lights? Wow, faint o bell mae'r tunnel mynd? Wowzers! This is amazing. Wow. Where are we now? Okay, we're a bit confused. We're walking, where are we walking? Look, yeah, it's the Snowdonia Slate Trail, Lolas Ogwen, we think. And we've just walked from Tregarth through a tunnel. I have no idea where I am now, but it's so great because it's one of these places we've never been before. And it's just like, wow! And it's all on our doorstep.
Tunnel.
Tunnel!
River.
Da ni wedi gorffen cyfri bontydd o falle.
Bon prif pedwar, bonofi pedwar.
But do you know what I do like? It's all tarmac. So, right time of year, I could go rollerblading. Come on, Gennard.
Wow. That is one determined tree to grow directly out of the slate face.
I have to be quite careful with that because this section is going to come up. That's going to split the slate in half, isn't it? So that's the A5. Well, we've walked this all the way to Bethesda now. First section of the Slate Trail done. But now we really want to buy a bike. Yes, that's Zipworld there.
I thought it was on the left.
No. It's on the left if you're coming from like Blaenau towards Bangor.
when it's one uphill drive on the dark. What's it got like?
Okay. Gadael i Megs fynd fan ta. Lle mae Megs yn mynd? Megs! Lle ti'n mynd? O, mae Megs yn mynd i fynd ar ei ôl chi. Go Megs! Go get it Megs! Ie, wel, wedi bod y sal dal i fynd fel arfer. Waw! Wi! So that's the train station. 1940s. So where was the train station? Was it here?
Here, down here somewhere.
Well, is this building like the old train station or something?
Because that's got a cycle walk path there. You are here.
Where?
I say, yeah, sorry, yeah, that's what we've just done, yeah?
Uh-huh. And then over the bridge to Parth Penryn. Oh, okay. Hang on. Yeah, sorry. This is the bridge and tunnel, is it? Is
Yeah.
it? Must be. This is the A5, so yes. Then you go through a tunnel somewhere then. My face for most of this walk is like well, that's interesting. Catching up with them now because I took a pit stop to take some photos, as you do, since I am a click happy Instagrammer. Now, looks like someone's decided she's not walking anymore. She's already had a strap, so she has to walk so far. Weird. Hello? Beth matar? Oh, beth matar? Leaving Bethesda behind. Gemma.
Play some badminton.
Good girl. Paid yn ei ti mwdi, come on.
Now her feet is wet.
Splish, splash, splash. Gwachwch mynd I fanna, achos lle bod hwnna'n defyn, oce? Fanna. Croesi afon, dan. Ie, that's that. Okay, wel, da ni'n mynd bell wan. Dyd, mi eisiau mynd drwy tunnel. Come on. I love this tunnel. It's all tarmac. There are lights. And it just smells of slates and quarries and love it. Good girl, Gemma.
My shower towel.
Cool.
I think I can wrap these around.
De chwaer gwirion ti, dwi'n rili. Ti wedi bod yn checio hein off the list? Check.
Tick! Did you turn a dress here? I've got my Mr. dress here. Off in the water. Oh my god.
Na, good.
I'm on the wall. Put it here. Tiny pickle. Tiny pickle. Oh, where are the toilets going?
No, Gemma. 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 Gemma.
Gemma, lle ti'n mynd? Good girl. Gemma!
What's your going on?
Hey, Gemma. Hey, good. Say, what are you saying?
I said, well, that sign there that
Yeah.
you've taken a photo of
Yeah.
says that from the port to the quarry was 6 miles. So
Okay.
if we walked it
Twice.
twice,
Yeah.
then we've done 12 miles.
Oh.
Mom, what happened to some of the
Do.